Hi, it's Glenda, and I wanted to show you today how I'm making some blueberries, which are actually the prize for the giveaway from a few weeks ago. And at the end of this video, I will also announce the winner of that giveaway. I'm working with indigo color soap dough, which is very similar to the color of blueberries. I am pretty much just rolling in between my palms a piece of soap dough until I have somewhat of a round shape. It comes out to be more of an oval, and what I do then is that I press it like that, just slightly on the top and at the bottom, and just like that I'm happy enough with that being the shape of the blueberry. If you look at more blueberries, they're not an exact round, they're more of like an inverted oval on the side, and on the top they have that crown looking thing, or like a star look. It almost looks like a star. And then if you come and just do a little dot, that I think gives you the idea of a blueberry. Now there is another way to make it. If you see these two right here have more of a round shape, I made those with this bead roller, which is usually used for polymer clay. And if you are interested in it, I will put a link in the blog for it. I'm gonna grab a small piece of soap dough, and it comes with this measuring tool. It pretty much gives you a guideline as to how much soap dough you need for the roller. So I'm using the soap dough to fill in this portion, and it looks like that's about the right size. So then I'm just gonna push it out with a pin, and then I'm going to try to make a somewhat of a round shape, but I'm not worried about being exact. I will push it into the round side of the roller. If you put them together, you can see the shapes you can make with it. So once it's in there, lightly tap it. I will just start rolling. And there goes my ball. So as you can see, it's a more even round shape. But anyway, that's it as far as the round shape goes. To add a texture similar to what's on top, I use a star shape stamp. And I've been just pressing it against one end of the blueberry to give it that look like the actual blueberry. But in case you don't have it or don't want to buy it, after you make the round thin shape, you come with the pocket knife or whichever, and then you just insert it at an angle like this and lift it. And you're gonna make 3 of these indentations. So one is there, the other one will be next to it, and I go like that, and then one more over here, and that gives you roughly the shape of a blueberry. I'm gonna come back and tap this so it doesn't break easily, just reducing its height. Okay, the last method to make the blueberry is to use a blade to mark an X at the top of the blueberry, and then come with a carving tool. This one has a V shape on the end, and with that V shape, I'm pretty much lifting each corner that I made with the X, so that I will have about 4 lifted V shapes, I guess. And I'm using my thumb to hold the soap dough into place so it doesn't break off. But that's pretty much it. Later I may just soften the tips a bit so they don't break.